Hello guys, welcome to my first video of the year. It has been a really long break, but I guess I'm back now. I'm sorry for the delay and the time. So in this video, first of all, let's just open Picsart. I hope you got it installed already. If you haven't, you can check the link down in the description below so you can get it. So we want to check how to erase background in Picsart. So you can click right here on this plus icon and select the image which you want to erase, and mine is going to be this one, the guy with the face mask. So the easiest way to erase the background actually is this tool called remove BG. So once you click on it, and the AI is going to do its thing, and as you can see, the background is out in just one click. So another thing is this eraser tool right here. So assuming you want to restore some part from this image, you can make sure you have this restore active, and you can just click to restore. You can even play with the brush sizes and the hardness. Let me keep it at 100 and take a look at that. And the opposite will be erase. So the erase just does the exact opposite thing, would take out from the selection like so. So assuming you are unable, let's discard this. Let's go back, discard. So assuming you are unable to access this tool because it seems like a premium tool, what you can do is you can come over to cut out this tool, and as you can see, they already have the select. Then from there you can see we have person. Just click on it, and it made a kind of a selection around the person. So click up right here to hide and or hide the selection, this eye icon at the top. So as you can see, this selection was a bit horrible than the previous one, but that's okay. We can also use this eraser tool to make some adjustments if we want. So I think I'm going to take this down. And this is one thing I really like about Picsart, because as you know, we made a mistake like this, we can click on brush and bring it back, as easy as that. And that's not all. Under the select, so let me undo that. Under the select, we can also select, we already selected the person. We can select face. Okay, we could not select the face because I guess it's putting on the nose mask. So you can select the cloth, and this isn't that good, but don't worry, you can't just erase the part which you don't want. And that's it. So let's see what more we can select again. The skies, yeah, the head, no head I guess, the air, and the background. Okay, so another thing is this outline. So let me undo the selection. This outline right here. So let's assume you only want to select a portion from this image. Let's assume this, the marks. You can just draw around the marks like so, and that is it. We made a selection of the marks. So you can click here to bring it out or something like that. So once you are done with your selection, just click right at this top right icon. Okay, and you can save it. So the file has been saved to our gallery. So this is how easy it is to cut our background in Picsart. Let me know if you want to see more tutorials like this, and I will be sure and happy to make them. So bye bye, and I'll see you in my next video.